Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, but they can also appear on your back, chest, neck, arms and shoulders. These are some of the natural ways to effectively improve your skin and remove or reduce blackheads by spending just a few minutes every day. Use honey on your face. Wash your face with warm water and wipe it with a clean face towel. Take 1 tablespoon honey and apply it evenly on the face, especially around the areas most affected by blackheads. Leave it on for 20 minutes, until it dries and your skin feels stretchy, then rinse it off with warm water. Do this every day at bedtime for 2 weeks and you will see very noticeable results. Milk and sandalwood mask. Make a thick paste with equal parts sandalwood powder, turmeric powder and milk. Apply evenly on the face, massage gently with fingertips for a minute or so. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat dry, then moisturize your skin with a natural lotion. Oatmeal and lemon juice mask. Make a sticky paste by using 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it in a container or grinder. Apply the paste over blackheads and let it dry for 30 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water. Tomato paste. Mash a tomato and apply it over the blackheads on your face away from your eyes. Leave for 20 minutes and rinse off with water. Follow this home remedy regularly to get rid of blackheads. Bean and turmeric mask. Mix 2 tablespoons gram flour with 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon honey. Form a paste and apply on face, leave on for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. Gram flour acts as a natural scrub, cleaning out the pores and removing blackheads, while turmeric helps remove the blemishes and even out the skin tone. Oatmeal and rosewater scrub. One of the best home remedy to get rid of blackheads is a paste of 2 tablespoons oatmeal powder combined with 1 tablespoon rose water. Apply it on your face for 20 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. This natural exfoliation process removes blackheads as well as prevents new ones from coming up. Baking soda and honey mask. Make a paste of honey, lemon juice, and just a pinch of baking soda. Apply on the face and leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This is one of the best home remedies to remove blackheads. Lemon juice and cinnamon mask. Mix 2 tablespoons lemon juice with 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder and apply for 20 minutes to your blackheads in face and nose. Your face skin will be exfoliated with this home remedy for blackheads. Lemon juice and sugar scrub. Put few drops of lemon juice in 1 spoon of sugar and rub gently on your face, nose and cheeks in circular motion. This home remedy will remove blackheads and dead cells, making your skin clear and instantly glowing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.